Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for render price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. I would like to mention that this video is sponsored by MEXC, celebrating the 7 years with massive bonuses. You can find the link in the description below. Starting on the daily chart, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 towards the upside, finish wave A or wave 1, meaning you're looking after this correction for a wave B or a wave 2. And you seek for continuation impulsively toward the upside, as we can see, and we have finished a wave 3 or a wave C, meaning ABC 3 waves up. You're looking for 3 waves down, which are also finished, and you're looking for higher prices. After this 1 and then of course wave 2, you're looking for wave 3, 4 and a 5 as a leading diagonal. Your wave 4 should be 3 waves, and you're looking of course for an impulse as a wave 5 in leading diagonal, that because of course the 1 and the 3 are impulses as well. Final option is of course that you have double 1 2 1 2 and then another wave 1 2, and you're looking for a massive explosive wave 3 toward the upside. 0.38 is the minimum requirement for a wave 2 after a 1 2, and you would like to see of course a move for higher prices. Now this is only the minimum requirement. Of course it can still move towards the downside to the blue box again, 0.5 or even 0.618, but very low possibility. Higher possibility of course to move towards the upside even when you are in bearish scenario. What I mean in a bearish scenario, you have here 3 waves down, 3 waves up. You finished an impulse 1 2 3 4 and a 5, and you're looking definitely of course for 3 waves in case you are bearish for a wave B, meaning you finished a wave A, you're looking for a wave B in 3 waves up, and then 1 2 3 4 5 towards the downside for a wave C. And that means of course in all case scenarios right now, bullish and bearish, you're looking for a rebound for higher prices. Now we were looking for this scenario since a month ago inside this box of opportunity, the blue zone. We're gonna dive deeper to see what's going on the 1 hour chart for today inside render. So for render right now, we are looking at the following price action. We have an impulse potential 1 2 and then finished wave 3, and you're looking at a corrective wave potentially of course for a wave 4 and then continuation for higher. Now it was preferably that the wave 4 is finished here based on the alternation for your wave 2 given already there as ABC. You are looking at another 3 wave corrective, and if we take the time into consideration from the wave 2 here and based on the wave 3, you will see that you have passed already the double time here, and currently we have passed potentially even the 4 time for this scenario. Yep, here we go. So we have passed the 4 times of a wave 2 in this wave 4, meaning the possibilities start to reduce slightly here, and it start to get a much higher and higher probability for an A B and a C finished with a wave C very extended, and you're looking potentially here at 1 2 3 4 and a 5, and that because we just took the low right now and it might be not finished yet. Now of course this scenario is that we might have a 3 waves toward the downside after having 3 waves up, 3 waves down, of course, where you start already with a leading diagonal. It might be of course an A, B and a C, or it can be even another impulse toward the downside coming back to this blue zone where we would like to hit again the 1-to-1 fib level finally to finish a wave Y, which is still possible of course to be much more complex structure. Yeah. And that means of course in a bigger view, if we get one more low, this is gonna create of course a much more complex structure again, and this is gonna be your zigzag here, and you already have of course several zigzags in the top. So you have a zigzag here, you have potentially another zigzag, and you have axes in between. So we're gonna of course dive a little bit deeper to see what's going on here, but this formation here can be even a bigger structure. And this is what I mean, a bigger corrective structure in case we take the lows though, W, X, Y, X, and a Z. But I still doubt it, of course. I doubt that we're gonna move directly to this box. I still see, of course, some potential to move toward the upside, even with this wave 4 a little bit longer with time. So we're not, of course, totally bearish yet. To be much more like confirmation that we are bearish and we're taking the low coming back to the blue zone is taking the $3.15 for render. Before taking this invalidation of bullish, I cannot confirm that we are moving, of course, for a new low or back to the blue zone. That was it for render. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.